Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below to get notifications of when things are happening. I go live every Tuesday, and sometimes I pop up during the week. You never know. Plus, I do Beauties and the Beat with Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s. We do that on Sunday evenings, and we alternate turns. And this week is my turn, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be 7 p.m. on Sunday. I just said Tuesdays I go live. Silly Rhonda, tricks are for kids. Anyway, we're going to be doing a Valentine look today with the Alter Ego Blooms palette. Look how beautiful that packaging is. And it is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Love Palette. And I'm going to swatch some of the colors. I'm not going to swatch all of them. It does come with a nice little mirror. But it's a gorgeous palette. And I've heard nothing but wonderful things about it. So let's get to swatching. Let's see. I'll do that pink. And I'll do some of these shimmers. Wow. Look at that. The shimmers are really showing up. The first one, the pink, the matte, didn't show up very well. Let me try that again. Try swatching that again. It looks like the mattes might be a little patchy, but we're just checking them out a little bit before we dive in, because I'm not going to, swatch, do the whole 15 pan palette for time constraints. And I feel like I can dive in and have a good time, because that's what it's all about. Makeup is fun for me, and I love to do it. And I'm going to start off with this color Lily in the crease. It is a shimmer. It's a very pretty shimmer. And it's showing up very nicely. I'm having to dip into it a couple times to get the coverage that I want. But this is a $16 palette instead of a $65 palette or more. I don't even know how much the Love palette is. And this is so pretty. And that is just beautiful. And there's so many great colors to go into. I feel like I'm going to go into fuchsia here next. And it is a brilliant shimmer. There's a little kick up in the pan, and it looks great on the brush. And I'm not having any trouble putting shimmer upon shimmer, because sometimes with lesser quality palettes, you can't stack shimmers on each other. But that does not seem to be a problem with this. And this is also very buildable. Louis is going to cause a trouble. He is going to cause trouble. I just feel it in my bones. Just a matter of time for something to come crashing down. But that's the joy of having cats. I think that I'm going to go in with the colors are just so pretty. I think I want to do something with hibiscus. I'm just putting that in the center of the lid. And it looks almost like it's exactly the same color as the fuchsia. It looks a little different, but not much. Let's try a different color. Let's go into a darker color. Let's go into Orchid. Orchid is not wanting to come off of this brush. Let me try a different kind of brush. Orchid is a shimmer, and it looks more like a matte, but it's not wanting to cooperate. Let me try Violet. There we go. And Violet is a little darker instead of a bright purple. It's very pretty. I'm going to blend this all out. I don't think I got enough violet. It is a very pretty look. I'm going to go into Kala right here. Go in the inner corner, which is beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit of a tissue and soften the edge up on this side. That is better. Then I'm going to go into Black Dahlia. And this is a very beautiful smoky purple look. Let's do some eyeliner. And I'm going to do the eyeliner from Glamlight. That is so beautiful. And I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara. Very beautiful. I'm going to do a dark lip with number 50 Voyager from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And this is just a really beautiful look with the Blooms palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.